Hello everyone, this is Asmita from Informatica GCS, and in this video we'll talk about identifying application service name from the background running process. The agenda of this video is to discuss some important processes in Informatica, then we'll see how to find the name of application service from the background running process. Then we'll see a quick demo on the same. Some of the important processes in Informatica are PM Represent. This is the process used for repository service. PM server, this is the process used for integration service. Now we will see how to find the name of the application service. We have listed the steps for the same. One of the easiest steps is to log into the admin console and then find out the name of the application service. In this video, we'll see the command line process of the same. First of all, we'll list the processes like PM represent, PM server, and other application processes or our Linux server. Then we will run the command we have given along with the PID of that particular process. Then we'll see the arguments of the output of this command using the command we have listed below. We'll use OpenSSL to decode this value. Now we'll proceed to the demo session of the same. So I have logged into the Linux server, and here I see few of the processes which are running here. So here the two above process are the PM represent process. So we'll run this cat command along with the PID for this particular represent process. So we see that there are multiple arguments in this output. We'll do one thing, we'll just redirect all this output into one file. So let's redirect this command output to this particular file. Let's see the content of this file now. So we see there are multiple arguments here. We'll see one by one each argument. We'll see what is the name of each argument which is listed here. So now we see multiple arguments here. So these are all decoded. These are all encoded base 64 strings which we will be decoding using the OpenSSL tool. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the first argument which we saw. So we can see the domain name here. So this is my domain which I created. Now we'll go ahead and see the other arguments. So this is the second argument. I'll just copy this. And we'll see what is this argument now. So now we can see this is the repository service name. We'll see the other arguments now. There's a third argument which we are seeing. So this says the node name. So with this we can find out the node name, domain name, and the name of the application service as well. So in case if you have multiple services running in your server and you want to see which process is running under which node or under which domain, you can easily find out using this command. With this, we finish our demo session. You can always refer to our knowledge base article. The link for the same has been given below. You can also refer to our command reference guide. We have shared the link for the same. We would love to hear from you. You can always write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us on InfoSupport. Thank you so much for your time.